Let's talk about how to build a website for your interior construction contractor business. So, first, I'm going to go to Mighty Sites. It's a great website builder platform for small businesses, and it's only $9 a month. So, it makes it really cheap and affordable to create a simple professional website for an interior construction contractor. So, the first thing I'll do, I'll just search for my business type. So, in this case, interior construction contractor. So, just click on this and let's just put my business name. I'll just say Keegan the contractor right here for simplicity. You put in where you're located, so I'll put in Denver, Colorado, and type of business. It's a service, and click continue. Now, the thing that makes Mighty Sites so great is that it will automatically generate a website for my contractor business. So you can see as I scroll down here, without me having to do anything, Mighty Sites just deployed a website for my interior contractor business. So interior construction contractor business. So you can see it's got images, it's got text. Now, all I need to do, I could almost just basically launch this website right now if I wanted to, or I could make some simple edits to the site. So let me show you how to do that. So if I go over here, I can click through and select a color palette that I really like. So again, just depending on the color that you're going for, the theme, the look, you can kind of just scroll through and pick one that you like. There's all sorts of different ones. I'll just use this red one for now as an example. But you can select from all different types of color themes too, just whatever fits best with your business. Then you click on update section and you can easily just add the information that you know your potential customers might need to know if they're going to hire you as their interior construction contractor. So just put in my phone number and my email address, save that. Now it shows up there at the top, nice and easy and clean. I can put in my Facebook page too. So I'll put facebook.com/Mighty Sites and save that, close. Now I've got a link to my logo as well. If I scroll down through here, I can see, let's just say I want to add a menu item. So I can go to update menu and then I'll just say nav item. So I want a new navigation item up here, select where it links to. So I can link to another website, link to a different section of my new website. I can make it click to call or things like that. I can upload a PDF. I'll just have it linked to my website right now. So I'm done with that. Add it to my menu, click save. And now you can see here's the new navigation item there too. I can go over here and upload my logo. So let me just look for my logo on my website or on my computer. So let me just scroll down here and let's just find a logo that makes sense. Here's a logo for Mighty Sites. And again, all this is included for the $9 a month. So I'll just save the logo. Now it's a really easy website builder. So I can click on make it bigger here and click on make it smaller. And then I can click on this pencil to access all of these different photo and image editing tools. So right now, I think I'm just going to crop it a little bit. So down at the bottom and at the top. So I'll just use the cropping tool and then I'm going to click on save. And now you can see just made my logo a little bit bigger. I like that. So now I can close it. So now the header's coming along really nice. Let me jump down here. Expert interior construction. So let me just say, let's say I want to, change any of this, no problem. I can just put expert interior construction contractor. So I just changed the hero text to read expert interior construction contractor. And then I can go over here and I can change this button too. So if I want to change what the button says, I can just change this to something like request a quote if I want, and then choose where it links. I can have people call me or email me if I'd prefer. What I really like to do is link to the lead form section. So I'm going to click confirm and save that. And now if someone clicks on request a quote, it brings them right here so they can submit themselves as a lead to my business. And I'll show you how that works a little bit more in a minute. I can go into this and I can update any of this information too. So I can go here and say, this is how you make a website for an interior construction contractor. So just type out exactly what you want. It's point and click, which makes it really easy. You can make it bold, italicized, however you want, but that's really easy to do. And then, save it. And then if I want to update this button, maybe I want it to say call today, and then I can choose where it links. And in the action item, I can just have it call me, right? So I'll just use my phone number there. So now if someone's on their phone, they're on my website, click on that call today button, it'll automatically call my business. As I scroll down through here, I can change any of these photos. So if I want, I can click on update image and I can browse my computer to upload a photo that I have of my business. Or if I just want to search the photo library, there's a built-in photo library of photos that you can use. So if I just like search in here for contractor, you'll see there'll be a whole bunch of different images I can choose from, and I can scroll through the different pages and select whatever one I want. So I can, I could do like renovation, right? And then see all the renovation pictures. So it's whatever you want here, and you can go through and actually just search for photos and choose whichever one you want and replace that photo. Or like I said, you can just click on this and you can just update, upload a new one from your computer too. So, or just click on here, upload computer. So makes it really easy to pick the photos that you like best. And if I go up here and click on stop editing, like I said, within just a couple minutes, I'm pretty much done building my website. And for $9 a month, I now have a professional looking website, online business card for my interior construction contractor business. So if somebody is on my website and they're interested in what I do, all they have to do is fill out this short little form with their contact information, say what they're interested in. I am in need of remodeling my bathroom, right? So they can just submit that, click send. They'll get a little thank you message. And then if I go back here to the site dashboard, this is your dashboard where you can see everything. I'll give it a minute to come through. Go to update my site, turn to my dashboard, and now you can see I'll get an email. You as the owner of the site will get an email letting you know you have a new lead. You click in here and you'll have a dashboard of all your leads for your business too. So really simple and easy. Then you can connect your domain. So you just paste in your domain name that you own, and then it'll give you instructions for how to connect that, what updates to make with your registrar company. And once that's set and ready to go, now you're set, and you can actually just start editing and launching your website just like that. So Mighty Sites just makes it super easy to create and run your own small business website. So if you're an interior construction contractor, click on the link below. You can sign right up, get a 7-day free trial. And again, it's only $9 a month after that to create a simple professional website for your business. Best luck.